Olumide, great to have you on the show. As you heard there, the market performing quite well, up 1.28%. What's your take on market performance?
Nice to have you. Nice to speak to you again, Uche. Again, the markets have been doing fantastic since at the start of the year, and we put that to three main reasons. The first reason is inflow from participation of foreign investors has gradually crept up over the last 2 years. It was 20% in 2011 and it was 40% last year, so we expect that trend to continue. Also, there's a dipping in the yield of fixed income, the yield on the fixed income, so that's actually made equity is very attractive. So we're seeing, the markets rallying around in terms of in favor of equities. Other reasons, the banking sector, the profits that we came out at the end of back of last year have made the equity market quite very interesting going forward, and we suspect that this will continue at least until the first Q1.
Just off the cuff, Olumide, of course you heard that we announced there that NSE has unveiled the 6 market makers that will be focusing on the fixed income market, 6 fixed income market makers. What's your take on this, and suddenly the impact it may have on the fixed income space on the bourse?
Well, in my personal opinion, I think the appointment of the 6 income ones is just one of the reasons to kind of stem the fixed income market. But there is appetite in the market. There is participation in the market. Shareholders going in for position for most of the blue chip companies coming in. There is the drive from the government from equity investment. So I think once it's a good move to kind of stem the dipping of the income yields, I think we will still see a strong rally in the equity market.
Right, and certainly the banking sector, looking at the equity market performance, the banking sector coming out as the shining star in terms of performance. Last week it was up about 4.7%, and actually the indices were up about 4.8%. So we see how close that is. Now, what are your thoughts, Olumide, on the potential for growth in bank assets this year? Because it seems like investors are quite confident about the sector.
Yeah, the banking sector, again, as you rightly pointed out, has been the shining star in the stock market, and I think this can be attributed to many reasons. But I think the key critical one is that the banks have gone through a year of rationalization, cleaning their loan books, have had sustained profitability over the last 4 quarters, and that has boosted a lot of confidence in the market. We had a period where we had 2 years worth of uncertainty in terms of the returns on these banking sectors, and I think that has galvanized the market a little bit. The banking sector is stable. They're coming to the period of sustainability, and there is also prospect going forward. I think the banking sector generally has agreed that going forward, there is the need to have sustainable growth and profitability within there, and I think we will see more and more of this through the year 2013.